What's up, guys? I'm Austin Keene. I got the 2024 NXT24 behind me, and I'm here to talk to you about the MasterCraft NXT Icon Package. So the Icon Package is a fresh addition to 2024, and it's available on the NXT 22, 23, and 24. The Icon Package comes with the all-black Z6 tower, black SeaDek, and that super sleek black MasterCraft badging. And my favorite part about the Icon Package is there's lights all over the boat. There's lights underwater, there's RGB cockpit lights, RGB tower lights, so you can keep the vibes rolling even after the sun's gone down. And for those who want to own the boat ramp, you can now option your NXT24 Icon with a matching triple axle trailer. And new for all 2024 NXTs, you get the redesigned touchscreen dash, advanced audio, and available M80 speakers with double the output. So if you want to be bold, stand out, and look like a badass on the water, the all-new NXT Icon Package is now available. To learn more, go to MasterCraft.com.